Right, friends. So let's start our pencil sketching lesson. So let me start with the materials. Now you will require a pad like this, which is a normal sketch pad, sketchbook, whatever. Medium, small size should be okay. And you require a set of pencils. I'll tell you what is the difference between various pencils. The one I'm using is HB pencil, which we normally use in our day-to-day for our day-to-day purpose. So if I draw a line here and the center point of the line say is HB, then on one side of HB you actually can have lighter pencils, and other side of HB we can have dark shades. Now these are typically named as 1H, 2H, like that, going up to 6H and onwards, maybe up to 9H. Also, these pencils will tend to become harder, and on other side of HB you will have 1B, 2B, like that, maybe 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, etc., 7, 8, 9, 10, 12B, like that. And beyond that you also have a charcoal pencil. Now which is the darkest? So let me just show you some of these pencils. So this pencil, for example, is a 2H pencil, 2H, which is a hard pencil, right? I will show you the demonstration also. Then this one is 2B pencil. This one is, normally I keep alternate ones, 4B. Then this one is, which is this one, yeah, 6B. Then straight away I jump over to 12B, and then we have charcoal pieces like this, which normally I tend to break it and use, sharpen it and use the small piece, because anyway if you hold it at a distance it may break because of it being brittle. So now I will turn over and let us see how these pencils really operate. So HB, first of all, if I take, then let's do some shading. I'm going to try out maybe these 5-6 shades. Let us see how it works. So HB pencil, try to make this lighter, right? Then now 1H or 2H pencil, what happens? Yeah, I'm pressing, giving the same pressure, for example, but see, first of all the point retains, it doesn't become, because it's not soft, so that the smudging is not possible. Whereas now I move over, so this was HB, this was 2H, I move over to 2B, then maybe 4B, then 6B, then 12B, and charcoal. So let us see what happens. This one is what? Yeah, 2B. So same pressure I am applying, not too much excessive pressure, and trying to do some little bit more smudging and little bit darker. Then we go to 4B, 6B, and maybe I can actually do lighter also. Move on to 12B. See how much dark it is, and it is also soft. And see, as compared to this 2H, where I could not make it smooth, this I can make it comfortably. I can make it smooth because it will automatically merge itself. And I go to charcoal. I don't know whether it could be light darker than this. Yes, look at that. Is it darker? Certainly yes. So typically drawing hair and things like that, and darker shades values. So these are the various outcomes. The 4B outcome I am not really happy with, but possibly I may be required to change this particular pencil. It should be in between 2B and 6B. Nevertheless, so this is what it is. And then of course you require the eraser, then some of these things, tissue paper and things like that, can be used for actually smudging also. Later on I'll show you. See what is happening. So you can actually do this kind of a smudging. You get me? So this also is required, and you can actually prepare some of these stumps. Let me just demonstrate to you. I take a newspaper for example, and I cut a piece of paper from this. And I prepare a stump out of it. I fold it and I make a roll. There are two pieces. Right. See, I prepare a roll out of it. I roll it nicely. It depends on how much thick you want to have, and maybe put a cello tape around it. Right, and one more cello tape you can put this side also if required. And then what can simply be done is you can actually take the pencil scraping, maybe like this. I'll scrape it on maybe some other rough paper. See, I can prepare a scrape, and I can utilize this with the help of a stump to do some kind of a shading. See, so this is another method. The stumps actually also are readily available in the market. You need not prepare them also, but many of the artists prefer to prepare them, including me. I prepare them myself for different stumps. For example, this is one of my stumps which I've been using for quite some time. So if depending on how much area you want to cover, you can have larger than this as well. This is about 5 millimeters diameter. Thanks for joining. I have watercolor painting videos especially for beginners, which I post on every Wednesday and Friday. Please do join. Thank you for joining again. See you. This is Anil signing off.